It's that time of year we're starting to feel the dryness on our skin. You're talking about it a little bit. I think I got a little bit of dryness.
I do. On my hands, I feel it first. You know, that cracking, and then
Yeah.
I put moisturizer on, but you're starting to feel the flakes. And once that dry skin starts, it can be painful, and it's hard to get rid of sometimes.
Yeah, so how can you hydrate your skin this winter? Dr. Joel Schlessinger of LovelySkin. Doctor,
Great to be here.
So what is it? I mean, is it the drier air? What causes dry skin?
The air dryness sucks the moisture out of your skin. It is so quick from the point where it goes from the summertime where it's humid, we have plenty of moisture, our lips are feeling normal, our skin is normal, to where the winter happens and all of a sudden you're just this mess.
Does it happen like for your body? Is it day by day? If it's a dry day out, will you notice that dryness immediately in your skin, or does it take a few days before?
It's very quick.
Yeah.
It's exceedingly quick. Just like you can have a piece of paper that would dry out very quickly versus hanging out and it would be wet for a while. So we find that when the winter hits in really late fall, winter, it's time to start moisturizing. And there are some things that we can do to prevent it. So first of all, the most important thing is avoid hot showers. When you wash your hands, don't wash them with very harsh detergents. People seem to think that washing their hands makes them feel better or improves dryness, but it couldn't be anything further from the truth. So truth be told, there's no soap that is going to actually help your skin. It's only going to hurt it less.
Right.
So what I recommend to my patients is that they use a very mild soap like Dove, unscented soap is good. If you're using one of the liquid soaps, like if you're in a place where there's a liquid soap that you have to use, make sure that it's one that is good for the skin. And if it's really bad for the skin, if it's a harsh soap, you may want to bring your own soap, because truly it can cause so much wreak so much havoc on your hands.
BYOS, I've never heard of that one.
It's true though. The other thing that I find is, of course, if you take a quick shower and then spot dry yourself immediately, don't rub, just pat yourself dry. That will also help. If you take a bath, it's okay as long as you moisturize immediately after that. So, and you really do have to moisturize.
You do, and I try to put lotion on more during these months, but sometimes that basic lotion isn't cutting it. So what products do you recommend we use for that extra dry skin?
Well, my son and I, Daniel and I, actually came up with this product. It's called FixMySkin, and it's a 1% hydrocortisone cream, and you can actually apply it on your skin. So it's a balm, so you can actually apply it on your skin. It also has one for the lips. So this is one for the lips, and it's the same product. This one has a little vanilla flavor in it.
I have that on my desk in the back office there, Doctor.
It's great stuff.
Great. Yeah,
it has 1% hydrocortisone, and it works really quite nicely. So the beauty of this is that for anywhere from $10 to $15, this is $10, this is $15. It lasts forever, and it works very nicely on conditions. You can see some pictures here that
let's look at those.
Before and after. So this is a patient of mine who had some dryness around her lips, and it was just a week or two, and that improved dramatically.
So much better.
And if you see the next picture, you can see that this individual had some very severe eyelid dermatitis, eye dermatitis.
Is that common?
That would
Oh goodness, yes.
That
We
would
see
be.
so much of that. If you have a product that is irritating it, if you have some allergic reaction, or just if you're simply dry from using things, another lip dermatitis, and this person actually had a little seborrheic dermatitis, and that was after 2 weeks around the mouth, and it cleared up remarkably. Hands, so eczema, psoriasis, poison ivy.
So that's the balm.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the
For
balm,
that,
the bigger one.
Yeah.
And you can have it around in your dopp kit or wherever, lips again. This time of year is so just difficult on lips.
How about nose? Because you don't, when you get sick, you're starting to blow your nose and it dries up around there.
This is great, just about 3 or 4 times a day on the nose. That's the hands, and you can see this person had a very severe hand dermatitis, and it was really making her hands look aged. Eyes, again, you can see so much that happens around there, but I've seen it used on hands, on feet, on body surfaces that have psoriasis, eczema. It is so easy.
And there's-
I like that it's so small, and I mean, I could bring this with me in my purse. It's not a
Compact.
big bottle. It's not messy. I mean, it's so easy just to put it on too, so you're not, you know, having to rub your hands and put the excess all over. It's great.
And there's not a lot of it, but there's a little bit of hydrocortisone in this, 1%.
Right, 1%. And so people ask, what's the difference between this and just the hydrocortisone you get over the counter? And the reality is that hydrocortisone is hydrocortisone, but this is in a balm, it's in essential oils, so it's not in the cream. The creams that you see, like, you know, the Cordates and the whatnots, they have alcohol in them. And alcohol hurts as it's helping. So, you know, the hydrocortisone helps, the alcohol that makes the cream hurts. The other things that are ointments that you get, the prescription items that can be even up to like $100, $200, they have petrolatum in it. This does not have petrolatum. So the petrolatum is an oil-based product, and again, it can cause some irritation, and it tastes horrible if you put it on your lips.
Oh, really?
So this one, the reason that my son and I formulated it this way was we wanted to put essential oils, natural essential oils into it. Things, you know, like cocoa butter, like a very,
cocoa butter.
very, yeah, it's
Yeah.
very natural ingredients that helps to do this without harming.
Well, my hands feel better already. I mean, I just put some on and I like
Yeah.
it a lot.
And the Fix My Skin, where's it available? Where can people get it?
Well, they can get it at my office. They can get it at the LovelySkin store. It's sold on Amazon at Walmart.com. So you can get it in a host of places.
Right. Well,
Fix
it
My
feels
Skin.
great.
And LovelySkin.com is a website that you can go to as well. Dermatology on the / after that. Doctor, good to
Yes.
see
Yeah,
you.
great
Thank you
info. We
so
all go
much.
through it
Yeah.
this time of year, so this is
Thank
perfect.
you.
Yeah, have a
It's
good
great
Thanksgiving.
great to be here and have a great Thanksgiving.
You as well.
betcha.
We'll probably see you before the holidays.